nobody talks about this. How screen time can affect your health directly and indirectly, and also your financial reserves. One thing you need to know about screen addiction is it has an effect. It affects the brain. It also affects your health in the long run. It affects your eyes, your hearing. If you're wearing using earpods and you're straining your eyes glued to the mobile and you don't want to let go of it, you're also changing the way you glue to it by the wrong posture. If you're sleeping, standing, sitting, also not in the right posture, but stooping down, putting pressure on your neck, it will obviously lead to back pain, lower back pain, and then it is hard. It is difficult to come out of that. So, the first thing is when you use a mobile or a tablet, see that you maintain the distance. You have a mobile stand. You're not holding your mobile with your hand constantly and holding it and watching it for 2 hours, 3 hours at a stress. A mobile, the very purpose of why a mobile was made was for an emergency call. When you're scared, when you're lonely and you're in trouble, that was the time that was meant to be. And the instruction booklet of the mobile says 6 minutes a day. Compare your own time and see what harm you're doing to your body if you're not letting it go even when you sleep. By keeping it close to your body, it results in reducing the sperm counts. Ask people who are today paying bills because their sperm counts are low. Find out from them how much it drains their resources. Every child, when you look at today, has glasses at a very early age. How many of you have noticed that? To realize that this is all because of screen time. And how many of us have heard prevention is better than cure? Why don't we understand the seriousness of this? Take just 7 steps. Become aware of what screen addiction can do to you. Become aware if you're not having the right posture and you don't right posture in standing, walking, talking, sitting, sleeping, and the pressure that you're putting on your shoulders while lie down and watching, and allowing the blue screen light to affect your eyesight directly. You're willing to fry your brains, but you're not willing to take a breaks in between. Earlier, when we started off with spectacles, we are told take a break, stop reading, look out, look at the greenery, take a walk, give the eyes some rest. Today, it is not even that. Monitor your sleep patterns, monitor whether you're getting the right amount of sleep, also monitor whether you're breathing right. Are you getting irritated easily? Are you getting irritated easily? By which I mean to say, when you get you respond easily. Respond easily is okay, but not reacting easily for everything. Are you getting agitated? Are you getting The build-up is within you like a volcano. It's slowly showing in your irritability. When you hear noise, when you don't hear noise, you want it to be quiet because you have plugged your earpods. Believe me, as students, you need to know that is not a safe space for you for using the mobile constantly. The side effects are saying America has already experienced this. Why don't we become wise here in India? Prevention is better than cure. We have heard it. Let us make it a part of our daily ritual. Thank you.